Hey y'all, it's Craig with Small Town Wreath Shop and with the Bickhams. How's everybody doing today? We're going to be doing a little cooking. Something I seen on Facebook. I forgot the husband and wife, I think, reel that I saw it on. We got to see if this works though, y'all. Macaroni and cheese in the air fryer. Let's see how this works out, y'all. And get you some community coffee. Alright, y'all. So today, we're going to try something different. I do have some water boiling that has just some salt in it. For me to do my noodles in, because I'm going to pre-cook the noodles. But just for the air fryer, I know you shouldn't have to spray it, but I'm going to spray it because I don't like to clean up. And I know this is a bunch of cheese and stickiness, so I'm going to spray it with a little olive oil spray. So just spray as much as you like. I'm going to be using a block of Colby Jack and a block of Swiss. You don't even have to cut them, y'all. Just put the blocks of cheese in there, and we're gonna just lay it in the bottom. The whole thing. You don't have to, you can grate it up if you want. This is not how they did it. So let's just see how it works. And I'm gonna be putting some of my pepper jack slices in. So we're gonna just get as many slices as you want from the deli. This is pepper jack, and we're just gonna throw them in. So just throw them in there. All right, so now we got our cheese in the air fryer. We're going to add a little bit of seasoning, whatever kind of seasoning that you'd like to put in your mac and cheese. Not a lot, because I don't put a whole bunch. So I'm going to put like a palm full of my seasoning. That's my mix. Y'all know my homemade mix. If you don't, go check me out and you can see. We're going to add a little bit of flour. We're going to add about, I think I'm going to do like a half a cup of flour. Is what we're going to do. Just regular all-purpose flour. This is 1 cup, so we're going to do about a half a cup. About a half a cup, maybe not quite a half a cup. And just sprinkle it in there. I ain't going to put this, that's a lot of flour. So, not quite a half a cup. 1 whole can. And just pour it in there. We're going to get about a half a stick of butter and just set it in there on top. One more ingredient that they used, we're going to try. I've never done it, but we're going to try it, y'all. Mustard. Dijon mustard, some kind of hot, spicy type mustard is what they put in theirs. I've never had that in my mac and cheese, but since I saw this, we're just going to try it. We're just going to put some, I'm about out. I may have to put a little bit of regular mustard, but we're going to put a little bit of mustard in there. I feel like it needed a little bit more mustard, so we're going to put a little bit of yellow because that's all I have. So we're just going to put a little bit of yellow mustard across it. We're not going to go crazy with that. And we're just going to see how it works. 375 degrees for 20 minutes in the air fryer. So we got it going in the air fryer, y'all. Now we're going to get our noodles cooked. So just pre-cook your noodles like normal. We didn't have any elbow macaroni, so we're going to use egg noodles. I'm going to cook them al dente. I think it's going to take about a half a bag. So that's what we're going to go with. We're going to do like a half a bag of noodles. I got 12 cups of salt water here. And we're just going to get about half the bag. That should be enough. So about half of this bag, and this bag is a 16-ounce bag, so about 8 ounces or so of noodles. About a tablespoon of butter. Help keep them from sticking. And we're going to cook those for about, as soon as they start coming back to a simmer, which they are now, we're going to cook them for about 9 minutes. Alright, y'all. It's still cooking. We got 3 minutes left, but full disclosure, I had to actually add at least another cup of half and half or milk or something in because the cheese and stuff gets really thick. So I'm up to about 2 cups of milk. It's taking about 30 minutes, 30 to 32 minutes, give or take, and I've had to stir it, pull it out and stir it about every 10 minutes. So 2 or 3 times to stir it up good, get all that seasoning and stuff and everything mixed up well. So now we're supposed to come out, get ready to melt some butter and put on the top of these breadcrumbs, put it back in there. They said 8 minutes. I'm just gonna do it until the breadcrumbs get brown. All right, y'all, so check it out. You can see just how much the cheese is melted. It's good and thick and creamy. You can definitely add more milk or half and half or whatever you want to it. Not a problem with that. So now I'm gonna add in my noodles. So we're gonna just get, now I've got egg noodles here, y'all. So we're gonna put the egg noodles in. I'm gonna see how many I can put in here. I think we can do the whole pan, because that's a lot of cheese. So I got a half a bag of egg noodles. Remember, if you need to put some more liquid, you can. So let's get that all stirred up and make it look like mac and cheese. Make sure all those noodles get down in there. The noodles are already pre-cooked, y'all. This is gonna be some thick mac and cheese. Holy moly. Definitely gonna be cheesy. Never would have thought you could do this in the air fryer, y'all. So we're gonna make sure we get all the cheese incorporated in on some of these noodles, and then we're gonna just kind of shake it so it kind of gets halfway flat again. I'm gonna melt like 3 tablespoons of butter. So takes usually about 30 seconds, but about 15 seconds. Butter was already softened, y'all. So we're gonna take and we're gonna pour, just drizzle it over the breadcrumbs. I'm trying to keep it on all the breadcrumbs. You melted butter. You can use crackers for this too if you want. I'm gonna just take a spoon and I'm just gonna kind of just stir them around, just like so. Try to get some butter on, you know, most all of it that I can. These are fresh breadcrumbs. I made these the other day with the leftover pistolette tops. You're just gonna sprinkle it on top, just like so. So just, I'm gonna say 10 minutes to get brown, but I'm gonna check it. We're gonna see if we can get it nice and golden brown. So we're gonna go back up. We're gonna go to 10, since it probably cooled down a minute, so we're gonna go to 10 minutes, but we're gonna check it at about 6, 7, 8 minutes. I might have been wrong. This is gonna work out just fine. This is gonna work out great cooking this at home. I don't know if I could cook this like this to take it somewhere because it needs to be in a casserole dish, but cooking it at home, it actually worked good, y'all. Also, I forgot one ingredient. They did use Worcestershire sauce in it a little bit. They put a good little couple tablespoons or so of Worcestershire sauce, and I forgot it. I still think it's gonna be good. So let's check it out, y'all. Let's check it out. It's got 1 minute left. It's good, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and stop it. So it actually took about 8 minutes. About 8 minutes on 375 to get this brown. So y'all come in close and look at it. Look. Y'all, look at that. Look at this. Will you look at that? Macaroni and cheese in the air fryer. So now, move my fork. Now, I get to plate up. So we're gonna take and we're gonna get us some of this, y'all. Look how pretty this is. Oh my word. Look. Oh, y'all. Look. If you like mac and cheese, y'all. So I've got that. Is that beautiful? Look at this. Wow. In the air fryer. So we're gonna taste that. So I'm gonna stick me a couple little small. I'm gonna give me a little small one. Couple chicken tenders on my bowl. And wow. So let's take a bite of this and let's see. Let's check it out and let's see what the mac and cheese out of the air fryer tastes like. Let's move the air fryer mac and cheese. Let's put it over here so I don't get on it. Move my rag. And let's check it out, y'all. It's hot. I'm gonna tell you if it's any good or not. Y'all, wow, wow, those breadcrumbs just browned up just right. Wow, y'all need to give this a try. Next time I'm gonna not forget the Worcestershire sauce in it. But holy moly, the things that I learned on social media. So absolutely wonderful. I'm Craig with the Bickhams. If you get any value out of our videos, y'all, make sure to give us a thumbs up, give us a share, make sure you subscribe to our channel. And I appreciate y'all coming to check out this air fryer mac and cheese recipe that is so good, y'all. So y'all give it a try. We will see y'all next time. Y'all have a blessed day.